How good is this? Just cleaned the squid up. And nice and good to go. Yep, right at the boat again. Oh, it's a big seal. Whoa. Just open it up.
Oh, that's really good. Good morning from Perlubie Beach. It's like maybe 45 minutes from Sejuna, and we're gonna stay on the beach. We were airing down and we were like, oh yeah, we'll give it the bickies, but it was piece of cake. Everyone gets stuck here, hey?
No.
I'm joking. It was a joke. Yeah, he's been teasing me all morning, so I thought I'll get him back. But we haven't picked a site yet, or booked a site, because we just want to see what they're like first, because it goes all the way up to 30. But apparently you can't book the first 10 on the website, so we'll see what it's like.
Rightio.
Site 20.
Site 20 set up. It's going to be a bit windy this afternoon, but it should be right. Dies off tomorrow a little bit. It's going to be windy all week. It's going to be the best time to be here. But anyway, we are going to cook up the crabs, 2 crabs. Got 6 oysters and calamari, squid. Look at that.
Up. Crabby.
Daddy. Show me.
Yeah. There you go. This is going to be so good. Feast. I'm going to have to go clean the squid up, but yeah. Keen as. How good is this? Just cleaned the squid up. And nice and good to go. How good are these? These are oysters from Sejuna that we got off the rocks, or the jetty someone got off. Just peeling this one now. Got the oysters, crab all ready to go, cooked. Looks pretty damn good. And calamari. Yeah?
Money has chili.
Ooh, delicious. Oh, that's really good. It's really creamy.
Have a go at this one. So good. Oh, right. It's such a weird taste. It's so salty. You smashed it.
Magic spot, Perlubie Bay. It's just, the weather's just turned it on now, and a little bit windy still, but like the sun's out. We're getting Ningaloo vibes. Yeah, we're going to take the boat out tomorrow and hopefully catch something. And yeah, just looking at that big rock shelf over there, it looks pretty inviting. And yeah, if there's anything like what we saw in the jetty today at Sejuna, all the oysters and the crabs and the razorfish, yeah, we're pretty excited. But yeah, top spot, Perlubie Beach.
Good morning. Just about to head out for a quick fish. Oh, a good fish, not a quick one, but boat's all set up. It's about, I got up really early, but the sun doesn't get up here till like 7. So it's about 6:30 now, but it's super low tide, so I've got to get the boat all the way down there. I'm going to head out this island here and just fish around that. But by the time I get back in, hopefully the tide will be up to here. But anyway, I'm going to get this boat down there and get out there. Okie dokie. Let's go. Oh man, I think I'm about halfway now. Oh, these wheels aren't the best. Oh, just gonna keep going. Okay, made it to the water. I think get my breath back. Take these wheels off, chuck them in there, drag it out, head over to there. See you guys over there. Okay, this hasn't been started in a while, so Gonna start it first before I take off anyway. So I've just got all the way down here and I have forgotten the key for the motor. It's up in the car. So I'm gonna have to bank it up here somewhere and go up and get it. Hopefully it shouldn't float away. Famous last words, eh? I think it should be right there. Okay, I've got the key. Chuck that in. Alrighty. Seems to be going out. I think it might just be a little bit cold. It's been started in a while, so just gonna cruise around here for a bit. Not too far out yet. Get some water through it. Oh yeah, loves it. I feel things come out. It's gonna have a little fish here. There's another guy over there. Just have a little flick around with the plastic. Don't know what to expect here, but if not, I'm gonna go back over here, just troll around, see if I can get a kingfish. Come in over here. Looks pretty glassy here. Out the wind, we might just head in here and just. It's only 2 meters deep here, but this doesn't look too bad. Oh, this is nice. Out the wind, look how clear that is. Got this little something on there, I don't even know what they're called. Minnow, something. Oh my god, this is nice. Oh my gosh, I should say. Something's having a go. Surely could grab onto this thing. It's only small. Little hard, little spinnerbait. Hard metal. Yep. Don't know what it is, but it's coming. It's only small. Really small. Yoo-hoo. Oi. Oi. Back out there, that's fun. Oh, right at the boat. Oh, how's that? Oh, he's off. No way. This is sick. Yep, right at the boat again. Woohoo! Not too bad. Always deep down that one. Let's get him back out there. Catch some more. Rightio, caught about 4 of those snooks. GoPro's at the die, but I'm gonna head in anyway. It's gonna be rough ride heading back in because it's super windy. But yeah, that was pretty good. Catching those little snooks, whatever you call them. I'm gonna punch back in, and it's gonna be a wet one, I think. Got everything ready to go. Head back in. Woo. Oh, it's a big seal. Whoa. I don't know if it's... We are out of here. Just decided to pack up, put the boat back on. But now it's fully just glassed off out of here. Like full glass off out there. But it's meant to get windier a bit later, but
looks amazing.
It looks amazing now, far out. Anyway, we're only heading up to Streaky Bay, which is only
20 minutes away.
20 minutes away, so we'll head up there, check out that, and yeah, we'll make a plan. But yeah, it was a good stay. Windy as yesterday, but anyway.
Leaving when it's nice today. Anyway, we'll see. Streaky Bay is going to be nice and protected from the wind, so hopefully it's just as pretty as Perlubie Beach, but it was beautiful. Bye Perlubie. See you again.
Good morning. Just going to head down to these Giles caves, have a little look.
Talia Caves.
Oh, Talia caves. I don't know why I said that, but anyway.
Jewel Caves.
Jewel caves. Is that where we are?
No, that's what we went to.
Tals caves.
Talia Caves.
Talia caves. Anyway, we all packed up. Stayed one night here, and we're gonna go check them out. It's windy as, shocking night, wasn't it?
Oh, that's great.
No, it was like 40 to 50k winds last night. Thought the Caravan was gonna blow away. Anyway, we'll see you down there. Down here. Whoa.
Whoa, wow.
Wow. Big cave. It's pretty nice in here. It's a massive cave. And it's out of the wind today, so which is good. Some big swell. Looks good for fishing. I'll just run back the camera because I forgot it. Take some photos. How you doing? Oh yeah, it's pretty cool in here.
So just leaving the Woolshed Cave on Talia Beach Drive, or Talia Cave Drive. There's probably like 50 steps to get down it, and then you just go over a couple of rocks, and then it's just to your left as you go down. Absolutely beautiful, so nice down there, and it was out of the wind, which was nice. Yeah, I think the plan is today is we're going to head to like Coffin Bay and like kind of Port Lincoln, like on the tip of the Eyre Peninsula, and then hopefully we get some good weather, because I think it completely like determines your experience at a place, having really nice weather. So yeah, that's the plan. But here at the Woolshed Cave, there's probably about there's 9 campsites. Yeah, 9. And yeah, we only shared it with 2 other people last night, so it was really nice. Come on, darling. And yeah, Talia Caves, go and check them out. Especially the Woolshed Cave, it was massive. There's a couple of pigeons in there, some sparrows, and us. It's nice. And the water looks so nice today. I'd love to get in the ocean and have a proper swim, but obviously, yeah, bit of a rock climb down there. A bit hard with 2 kids that might follow you as well. So next time.
Big emus here.
So just here, we just saw some dolphins just jumping out the front of the camp. Top spot. Just out of Wyalla. It's called Port Lowry. And we went to one of the many camps here. It's like a rock camp. Beautiful spot. Great weather. And dolphins.